When one looks at Dr. Ronney Abaza's family, it would be easy to predict that he would become a physician. After all, his parents, Bassam and Fadia, are Toledo pediatricians who graduated from the former Medical College of Ohio and saw their son matriculate at Maumee Valley Country Day School. His sister, Hadil, also went on to graduate from what is now UT's College of Medicine and is a pediatric orthopedic surgeon. But believe it or not, this little guy, who ranks among the top 10 robotic surgeons in the world today and the College of Medicine and Life Sciences choice as its distinguished alumnus for 2016, was thinking about a career in business. Wasim's older brother was an economics major at the University of Michigan who considered investment banking, but when he looked at jobs, couldn't find any that would be as fulfilling as making people healthy. So the man who met Wahida at U of M and married her in 1997 finally decided that medicine was it. Ronney graduated from Northwestern University's medical school in 2000, while Wahida was completing her medical studies at the University of Illinois Chicago to become a pediatrician. Our award winner moved back to Toledo for residency, primarily motivated by the desire to learn from Dr. Ken Kropp, chair of the urology department. His residency brought lifelong friendships with Salim Zafar and John Picard. It also brought the realization that urology was where he wanted to be. And it brought a visiting rotation at Henry Ford Hospital in Detroit with Dr. Manny Menon, the man who pioneered robotic prostate cancer surgery. When Ronney completed his residency here in 2006, he was immediately tabbed by St. Vincent Mercy Medical Center to become its medical director of the Laparoscopy Simulation and Robotics Training Center. He became a media sensation in his hometown, becoming the first doctor in Northwest Ohio to perform robotic kidney, ureteral, adrenal, and bladder cancer surgeries.
I can do an operation with chopsticks, but I can also do the same operation with a fork and knife. Which one would you rather have? Obviously, you'd rather have the much more precise instrument, and that's what the robot gives us.
Having built a jaw-dropping portfolio, Ronney was recruited to Ohio State University's College of Medicine just 2 years after finishing his residency to become co-director of the Center for Advanced Robotic Surgery and director of robotic urologic surgery. 3 years ago, Ohio Health Dublin Methodist Hospital lured Ronney, who is currently president of the Ohio Urologic Society, away from OSU to originate and become its director of robotic surgery. Hassan, Mariam, and Zaid's father's accomplishments are astonishing. The most experienced robotic surgeon in Ohio across surgical specialties, Ronney's patients travel on the average 4 hours to see him. They've come from Nevada, Texas, Virginia, even Africa for Wahida's husband's skilled work. The younger Dr. Abaza has pioneered several complex robotic surgical procedures. He is the first in the world to perform and report robotic surgery for removal of adrenal for adrenal cancer, removal of kidney cancer invading into the vena cava, removal of the lymph nodes around the aorta and vena cava that drain kidney cancers, repair of obstructed ureters in patients after bladder removal for cancer, removal of kidney tumors invading the renal vein without removing the entire kidney, and renal autotransplantation, the process of removing a patient's own kidney and transplanting it into them without taking it out of the body, all of which had never been performed in a minimally invasive manner. Annually selected as one of America's best doctors, he was also one of the first 3 surgeons in the world to perform robotic kidney transplantation. The editor of the only textbook dedicated to robotic kidney and ureteral surgery, Ronney is in high demand as a speaker around the world. He's a global pioneer in robotic surgery. Dr. Ronney Abaza is the College of Medicine and Life Sciences Distinguished Graduate.